Sloths aren't slow because they're lazy. They're slow because speeding up could literally kill them. Sloths live on so little air and energy. Their entire body stays in power-saving mode. Heart rate low, muscles weak, reactions delayed, weird adaptation. They move so slowly that OJ grows on their fur, not as a mistake, as camouflage. They sleep most of the day, hung upside down and barely respond to danger. But here's a terrifying part: sloths only come down from trees, and their brains so weak to poop. That single trip is when most sloths die. Predators wait for it. A sloth's life is sleep, digest